Listen,
oh,
shit. I just got out of the way so I can be on Michaela.
Hold on, give me a second here. Hey, do there. Can you stop this out?
There's like,
damn, I need the bigger one.
got this.
My teats grow very fast. Hey, Kyle. How's it going?
Hey.
I like how my hair is just, like, chilling. Okay, this is really fucking weird. I can't get it undone.
I got this. Turn around.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Surprise butt sex.
Oh.
Nice
Fuck
job.
bras. I let my titties go free.
Can we all?
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
Someone's tired. I don't even know.
Neither do I. I'm tired. Shut up. I don't want to go to bed. Don't tell me shut up.
I just do.
You're a bitch. Same.
This is like the first time I straightened my hair in a long time. Tasty. It's like ramen and root beer.
Ew.
This bitch back here is still sleeping. And she has tape on her legs.
Is it talking to herself?
Oh my god.
Lols. Hey, your lip is bleeding. Ew. Don't spit your fluids on me.
All is well.
Also, it's well. Brush that hair, girl. Brush it.
If I could sing, I'd sing you a song, but I don't want to embarrass myself. So.
I don't even give a fuck. I can't sing. That's okay. I sing anyways.
I'm about to just accept the fate and then just not get fucking nerves.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm on fucking Grease.
The movie's in there.
Look at me, I'm
Sandra D.
lousy with virginity.
Won't go to bed until I'm fully wed.
Until I'm legally wed.
Okay,
dumbass.
shut the fuck up. I don't watch Grease.
Oh
like,
god, I'm
on the
Sandra
regular,
D.
like.
I don't watch it on the regular either, but I watched it
I'm
on the
sorry.
regular during my childhood.
I've seen that movie a lot of times.
I've seen your porno many times. Kyle, guess what I have? Wait for it. Hold on. Look, I'm so hipster with my little Tom sticker on my DS. Wait for it. I don't know if you can see. What the fuck are you doing? I know, girl. That's right, bitch. Pokemon Soul Silver. But that's not the only thing. I caught. Hold on, I'll show you. I caught the legendary red Gyarados. I know you're probably like jealous as hell right now, but no big deal. Okay. I don't even know. I need to burp.
Kayla has a nice ass.
Oh shit. It's really nice. I just want to grab it. Gotta love my beer.
From the root.
So Kyle, would you be interested if I played you another song? If I can fucking find a guitar pick that isn't lousy. And that's the lousy.
Mm-hmm.
Walls,
walls,
walls.
If you're looking for me, suggest you walking the last
I don't know what song I play. I'd play you a Sleeping Siren song, but I only know one, and it needs help. So that's kind of out of the picture. I'm trying to think what song I'm like really good at. I'm gonna get this. Oh shit. I'm tired too. If I fall asleep, I'm probably not gonna wake up until like 6 p.m. Oh, by the way, my phone died, so if you're wondering why I'm not texting you back, that's probably a good explanation. And if you don't believe me,
It's dead.
yeah, it's fucking dead. Okay. So sorry.
Sorry.
Loads of sorrow. Oh shit. And how was I supposed to know that you were I'm getting tired. But I can't go to bed. Because my phone's dead and my mom's gonna probably come. Like, ask Kyle. Last time I fucking went over someone's house early in the morning and then my phone died. My mom bitched at me to death.
No.
How annoying.
I'm tired.
So annoying. I can't fall asleep.
Why? Alright,
Duh.
You're gonna fall asleep though. I will.
I don't know if you know that old band called the Cranberries, but I guess if you like New Found Glory, that they did a cover of this one song called Kiss Me. Kiss me. Kiss me.
No, I'm just kidding. Not brand
I can play. Oh shit. I'm losing
Wet.
it. Wet.
What song is it?
Kiss me.
We've been recording for 10 minutes.
Juno is such a cute movie, even though the bitch gets knocked up.
Yeah, I like that movie. It's a good one.
Like, Bleecker and Juno are so fucking cute. I want a boyfriend with her. Like, who I can just fucking...
Do we all?
Sure enough. That I can just fucking play my guitar for years. Even though I fucking suck at singing.
You don't.
I'm not good.
I do. I think you're good. I'm pretty good.
I'm not as good as I wish I was.
Practice makes perfect.
I guess that's what they say.
So heard. This is getting kind of long.
I don't fucking care. We can deal with this fucking shit. I don't give a...
The excuse is that you're young.
Florida, please be still tonight. Don't disturb this love of mine. How she says
You gotta help the clumsy tongue. Something.
I'm so fucking tired. If I had something to do, I wouldn't be tired, but...
What's that?
I wish I had a Pokemon.
Look, your guitar is like recording.
Ooh. Huh.
It's pretty cool. Not again.
If I had a Pokemon, like an actual Pokemon that I could take around with me and fucking, like, it was like real, like it was actually there, it wasn't on a fucking piece of paper or like in a DS game, then I would make it use Wake Up Slap on me. True story. Oh my god. I'm like falling asleep.
So what?
I need to wake myself up. Don't disturb this love of mine.
Oh gosh, she's so hurting me. You gotta help me out.
Look how it's Hurricane Irene. You gotta help me out. Okay, if we stop saying that I'm tired, maybe I'll like wake up. I can play the Salt Water by Alice City. That's all I know. Forever Alone. I just started playing with the whole other song. I'm losing it, man. I'm losing it. We only have like 1 more minute left to record. Or like a minute and a half. A minute and like 20 seconds now. I guess I'll play Remembering Sunday until the time's up.